I want to start off by clarifying some remarks I made yesterday. I talked very highly about Megacap Tech, saying somebody who is a passive investor could park money in this area. And that's contrary to what I've been saying the past couple of weeks, where I've been saying Megacap is very highly valued and it's not an attractive investment to me. And I still hold that position, right? I'm not buying Megacap Tech, I'm not buying Apple, I'm not buying Amazon. But if you have cash, you need to put it somewhere in this declining dollar index environment, in this fourth wave of stimulus environment. You can't just have cash sitting on the sidelines. And if gold isn't going to do it for you, obviously, if you've been following me, you know it's doing it for me. I converted a lot of my cash to gold. Then Megacap Tech is a place to look. Now, let's get a little tactical about this because it's not like I'd say stay away from Apple. I don't like Apple. Android's the winner. That's not my stance. There's actually, of all the Megacap Tech, I actually really like Google out of all of them at this price. It's the best price, in my opinion, to all of them. But tomorrow, we've got Jeff Bezos, Tim Cook, Sundar Pichai, and Mark Zuckerberg testifying before Congress. Okay, we'll see what happens with that. They might get grilled. They might run into some problems. It looks like Congress wants to sanction them and regulate them a little bit. Antitrust concerns, breaking them up. That could benefit or that could hurt them. We don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Uncertainty, catalyst for something to happen. Risk reward in favor of more downturn. The possibility of more upside is very low. The possibility of more downside is a little higher. Then on Thursday, we've got earnings being reported by all of these companies. So they are pricing in some optimism, high optimism. And some earnings just came out, some good earnings beats, a couple of misses, but more earnings beats. Tomorrow we're going to get GM and Boeing in the morning. That's kind of more of an insight on the deep economy to us. But there could be things that happen in those earnings calls that present selling. It's going to be very unlikely that those companies have an earnings call and go up because we're expecting the best possible earnings. It's more likely that they slightly miss our expectations and they go down. So I like Megacap Tech as a place to park your money. Unquestionably, Megacap Tech is the backbone of this economy. They are Megacap Tech for a reason. So if you need to park money, you can park money there. Am I buying Megacap Tech? No, I don't own any Megacap Tech. I would love to own Megacap Tech, but at a better price. And in my world of investing, price is the most important part. I just bought a little bit of CRISPR back, just a little light nibble, like a fraction of 1%. The beginning of my nibbling, hopefully on the way down, of CRISPR Therapeutics, a stock that I've long been an owner of, an admirer of. Got in it at $18 a share, started selling around $75 a share, and exited almost the entire position as it approached $90 a share. I'm now slightly nibbling on it at $85 a share, but I have large positions that I've been adding to and haven't been selling of other CRISPR companies at much better prices. Price is number one in my book. So that's my little rant on Megacap Tech. Earnings are going to be very big this week. This is a crucial week. It's kind of going to guide the market. So tomorrow we've got GM and Boeing. That's the deep inside look into the economy. I own both positions, both relatively large positions. Very few positions I own are over 5%, very few. Those are closer to 5% than 0%. And I hope they report good earnings. I'm more skeptical about Boeing. That's a longer-term position. I'm betting on a recovery. And I think the defense area of that company is undervalued. GM could surprise us. I think a lot less people are interested in taking Ubers, especially in New York in this environment. More people want to own their own car. More people are moving out into the suburbs. It's good for GM. So that could help guide the market up. Looks like we got a couple that are helping us right now. Starbucks, McDonald's is a little down, is what it is. So Thursday is the big day. We got to see how Megacap Tech does, how they do tomorrow in front of Congress. And if Megacap Tech, has an kind of gathering with earnings, looks like they're going to get some sort of, antitrust. We got to let other competitors come in. And then Thursday, they get this kind of lackluster earnings. Well, it's not a good combination for Megacap Tech, which has carried this market. And it could lead to some more selling in the short term. But what I was getting at yesterday was that there's a lot of inflation going on. And the one thing we don't want to have is cash. We want to have assets that are going to appreciate. Cash flowing assets are even better. So maybe these stocks sell off, but if they sell off too much, I might even be a Megacap Tech owner. So I'm going to be watching. I'm going to be listening to some of those earnings calls. Definitely Google, definitely Apple. Not so interested in Amazon. Kind of interested in Facebook. So we'll see how these things go. And that's going to guide the market. So stay tuned. We will see what happens Thursday and tomorrow, of course. So until then, peace.